জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
No!
Nayan? Nayan? What happened? What happened, Nayan?
Right there. There was a wheelchair. There was water. My wheelchair. Water.
Where is the wheelchair? Where is the water, Nayan?
Wheelchair. Water. Water. Wheelchair. Wheelchair.
Where's the wheelchair? And where's the water, Nayan? Nayan, did you have a dream or something?
It was a nightmare.
What is it, Nayan? Tell me.
I saw that a wheelchair was coming towards me and there was water all over the floor. Moreover, it was strewn with snails and oysters. Even you weren't beside me. I was all alone. Completely alone.
Nayan, what are you saying? Huh? Nayan, I was right next to you. By the time I got here, you were fast asleep, Nayan. You didn't wake up. You just didn't listen to me. I told you not to contemplate so much.
But I wasn't pondering over such things. Still, why did I have such a nightmare?
Nayan, why are you so anxious? You've had visions of wheelchair and water before as well, right?
No. It's not that simple, Dripto. Someone must be trying to convey.
Nayan, I'm trying to tell you something.
Yes, I'm sure.
Look, Nayan, it'll be very difficult like this. On top of having nightmares, you aren't sleeping as well. Nayan, it will affect the health of the child. Understand? Have you thought about this? No. Now I realize that I shouldn't have allowed you to get involved in such a mess. Seriously.
No, don't worry. Nothing harmful will happen based on Lourdes Vishalakshmi's indications. I beg you, have some faith in the Lourdes and please support me. Will you always be there for me? Tell me.
Nayan, I'm always here for you. All the time. Come on, go to sleep. Come on, go to sleep. Lie down.
Oh no! Aniruddha is still at home. Nilima, didn't you say that he'll be going somewhere by 8 a.m.?
He got stuck because of too many calls.
Aniruddha doesn't seem to be leaving soon. Nilima, tell me what will happen if they suddenly show up here.
Oh Lord! Instead of asking about what might happen, try to provide a solution of it.
Solution? If Aniruddha gets to know that we further tried to contact them, no solution will be of any avail. And this is the only reason I am asking the one who can handle him, okay? Hey, Nilima. Please don't be so quiet. Please say something. I'm getting extremely worried, please.
Listen, be mindful to act normal. Anirudh shouldn't get a hint of anything. His piercing gaze will definitely catch on to your restlessness. And I know that he will be going out. I overheard. I'm calling Trinayani as soon as he leaves.
Oh no. I think Aniruddha is headed this way.
Nayan! Nayan!
Yes, Jeet.
Here you are. Sorry, I should have knocked the door. Are you all set to go? You're not going?
Jeet?
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Listen, Jeet, are you
I'm
alright?
completely fine, but you will be in trouble if you delay any longer. When are you guys leaving? When are you going to leave? At least tell me.
I am all ready. As soon as Dripto gets ready, we'll leave.
Nayan, pass me the comb.
You're worried about the comb? Oh, your appearance doesn't look good. Wait, here, take it. Here, take it quickly. Comb your hair in the car, okay?
What? What are you saying?
I mean, if you want to avoid getting into trouble, you should depart at once.
Oh, what a relief. Aniruddha has finally left. All clear. Now, you can tell them to come now.
Yes, I'll make the call.
Don't delay it. Call at once. We can't wait any longer. Anirudh will have lunch after his return. We don't have time to spare. Please, please hurry up.
Hey, don't panic so much, okay? And what if someone overhears us? And it will be a problem if Aniket and Madhuri gets to know about it.
No, you don't worry. Madhuri just went to her brother's house. She won't be returning soon, okay?
It's better to be cautious. Even the walls are listening. The point is, don't get too excited.
Hey, stop bickering early in the morning. I should make the call now.
Hey, Dripto,
Hold up. What are you trying to say? I don't get you at all.
Don't you understand? It's about Rangana. I failed her attempt to join you with great difficulty. She's all set to go with you both. Can you imagine what will happen if she joins you? You know Nayan won't be able to refuse if Rangana pleads with her. That's why I'm asking you to leave quickly.
Yes, you're absolutely right. But Nayan, what should we do about it now? No, I mean, Rangana will spot us when we leave the premises. What will happen
No, she
then?
won't be able to. I prevented her from doing so.
Is that so? How did you do it?
Nothing. Rangana was all set and about to call you guys. I told her that her hairstyle and the accessories didn't match her sari and she got confused, so she went to prepare herself again. That's why I'm asking you to escape right now. Come on, go.
You are always up for playing tricks. Nayan, let's go. We won't have such a golden opportunity again. Come on, let's go. Who's calling right now? Hello? Oh, yeah. What is it? Yeah, we are on our way. We'll be there soon, okay. Mrs. Lahiri called. She told me that Anirudh has just left and asked us to visit them right now. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
We'll be
Alright.
back. Come on,
Yes.
let's go.
Leave quickly. Yes. Thank you, Lord. Preventing Rangana was worth it. I hope they reach their destination without further ado. Hey, Lordes. Hello.
Nilima, I think they are here.
Trineni seems to be very punctual. She made it here within 15 minutes. Please come in.
Please come in.
Come on in. Dripto, come please. Come in. Come this way.
I want to ask if you are accompanied by the mobile theater today?
Oh, no. She isn't here today.
All right.
I called you right after my husband left the premises.
That's all right. It seems that there truly isn't any necklace in the picture. Then how did I see it so vividly on that day? And that too not for once, but time and again.
Sorry, Mom. I won't be able to take the lunchbox. I'll manage everything. I'll order something from outside.
Hey, will you have some junk food again today?
Mom, please don't nag me. I don't have time to pack the lunchbox today.
You're asking me not to nag? What's with you and Kohli? She doesn't carry a lunchbox to the college and neither do you to the office. I'll slap you right now.
Please calm down. Mom, my age is 28 now. Do you want to hit me in front of those strangers? By the way, who is she?
Nilima, let me tell him. Hey, she's the psychic I told you about. Psychic.
Does a cyclic look like this? Mom, what's with this charade? Trust me, I have never seen a psychic in my life. The only place where I've seen them are in English movies and series. But I have never even dreamt of meeting a genuine Indian psychic before in my life. Okay, so will you try and locate Grandma with the help of mind's eye? Am I right? How does the entire process work? Do you possess a remote control device and pressing that button will allow you to see the visuals like a movie and in turn you'll be able to share the details? will you please explain how it works, please?
Korak, what's with you? Tell me.
No, seriously. I'm just asking her to satiate my curiosity. Okay, tell me something. Given that you'll visualize Grandma with the help of your mind's eye, will you be able to transmit the vision to us through you? I mean, we'll be able to see it. After all, we don't possess such psychic abilities, no? How helpful it would have been, right?
Who asked for your opinion? Leave for your office. Why are you insulting her?
Yes, Mom, I'll leave in a while. Let me have some fun before that. I won't have such an amusing opportunity again, am I right?
This isn't an entertainment show. Neither do I think that your wish will come true.
Oh, you're here too. Hello, I'm Korok Lahiri. I run a small business concerning lampshades. I was thinking of meeting you in person. I've heard that you own a number of resorts. If you kindly make a deal to buy some lampshades for your resorts from me, that would help establish my business. No, I mean, since I got to meet you here, that's why I brought this up. Oh, sorry. I'll have to take an appointment before meeting you officially next time. Will you meet me then, Mr. Dripto? I'll be going then.
Let me tell you one thing. Do you really not wish for me to find your grandmother? You are a grandson, right?
Of course I do. I honestly wish to. I was a favorite among all her grandsons. I still miss her every single day. I miss her a lot.
Then what happened?
Will she be really found? I raised my hopes previously too, but it was futile. I got tired of waiting for my grandma, but she never returned. That is why I lost my faith. Even the police couldn't deliver a result after so long. Will you be able to?
Let me try for once. There's no harm in it.
Okay, I wish you all the best.
Please don't mind his words. He's a bit stubborn and listens to no one. Dripto, why are you standing? Please sit.
I'll go and make some arrangements for tea and snacks.
No, you don't need to bother yourself with that. Rather, take me to Aunt Suhasini's room. Are all of our belongings still there?
Yes, all of it is there. Actually, it's maintained exactly the way Mom left it. Nilima didn't allow a single thing to be relocated. Even the water in the pitcher is replaced daily, thinking that she might return.
What else should I do? Mother might not be with us, but she's still alive. After all, you can't erase someone from your memories. Dripto, come with me. Nayan, come. Come this way. Come inside.
The room is so well kept that it feels as if someone stays here. As if she's out for a while and will return soon.
True. I too feel as if someone really stays in this room.
I intentionally left it the way it was. What if Mother suddenly returns someday? Actually, she was such a generous person and used to love all of us so much that we never felt the lack of Mother for once.
Where did the nurse used to stay?
There. Right over there.
Can I ask you something? Don't you think the nurse falling asleep that night is a bit unusual? Tell me.
No, in fact, she used to sleep almost every other night. Actually, my mother didn't have any problem with the sleep, since mom used to have sleeping pills and adult diapers on her, okay? So once asleep, mom didn't wake up in the middle of the night. So the nurse also used to sleep after mom was asleep. The routine pills and injections began the next morning.
Suhasini, what is it? What difficulties are you having? Tell me. Tell me. Why are you in so much pain? Tell me what you are asking for. I'll bring it to you. Water? You are asking for water? Please wait. I'll bring it to you. Wait. What? Suhasini, the sugar didn't dissolve completely. It's still deposited at the bottom. Let me mix it properly. Give. Aunt Suhasini? Where is she? Where are you? Aunt Suhasini, where did you go?
Nayan! Nayan, what's
Suhasini?
wrong? Do you feel ill? Tell me what happened. Tell me.
No. No.
What happened? Tell me.
No.
You had a vision, right? What did you see? Did you see Mother in it?
Sugar. The sugar hasn't dissolved completely. It's still deposited below.
Sugar? What isn't dissolved sugar? What does that mean?
Listen, please clearly tell us what you were able to see. We are confused by your words.
Okay, did Aunt Suhasini used to drink sugar water?
poison.
Poison?
Anil is absolutely right. Poison. Mother had a high blood sugar level. So, sugar was similar to poison for her. We never used to give her anything sweet.
You didn't used to.
No. I mean, we only fed sugar to her when there was a drop in the sugar level, but that was a very rare instance actually.
And then why did I see her having sugar water?